Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Typeform responses into Softr dashboards, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Typeform website. Log into your Typeform account with your credentials. Locate the form for which you want to restore responses. Once inside the form, click on the Responses tab. In the Responses section, you will find a list of all collected responses. Click on the Download button, usually found in the top right corner. Choose the file format you prefer, typically CSV is the best option for this purpose. Download the file to your computer and locate it in your Downloads folder. Next, open a new tab and navigate to the Softr website. Log into your Softr account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, click on the dashboard where you want to upload the Typeform responses. Look for the option to add data or import data in your Softr dashboard. Select the CSV file you downloaded from Typeform. Follow the prompts to upload and map the data fields from your CSV to your Softr dashboard. Ensure all necessary fields align correctly to maintain data integrity. After mapping the fields, confirm the upload process. Once the upload is complete, review your Softr dashboard to ensure the responses are displayed correctly. Adjust any settings as needed to enhance the presentation of the responses. Familiarize yourself with your dashboard's tools to analyze the imported data effectively. You're now ready to utilize the restored Typeform responses in your Softr dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.